Alright, so it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I haven't done crap. I've uploaded, well, a couple of videos of like me doing stuff here, setting this up. Okay, so I gotta clean this crap like really badly because it's just disgusting. And that don't fit. Like most things, they never fit. So, first way, make part of it fit. What the hell? Oh, a little cable piece. Yeah, that's for the your transmission. I don't freaking know. It hooks up to your accelerator. It goes to the automatic transmission for my C4 transmission, not actual. Throw that in there too. So I'll do that at first. So no, I don't. Pretty much, I don't know if I have to say it, but yeah, I ain't sponsored by shit, but that's what I'm going to use, my heavy-duty cleaner degreaser. You know what? It works. It got that thing that clean, and that was me really half-assing it. So it's like, just spray enough in there. And shit's cheap, so I don't care anyways. I'm not going to do that to the carburetor. That I'm going to take apart, then clean, put in a small bin. I'm going to leave that alone. Yeah, so that's what we're going to start with.